What's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. Let's get started. We have some sourdough pretzel rings. They are so delicious. Melt down your choice and color of chocolate, and then we're just going to take that pretzel ring and dip it inside of the cup of chocolate. You want to shake off any of the excess and then set it aside to let it dry. There may be some imperfections on some of the pretzels, but no worries. We're just going to cover that side up with the chocolate. You can dip your entire pretzel or part of your pretzel like I'm doing. The choice is really up to you and your creativity. Have fun with it. The consistency of the chocolate is really important when you are dipping any kind of treats. You generally want it to have a silky smooth and very flowy consistency to get that perfect coverage. The type of chocolate that you use plays a huge factor in this. I wanted my pretzel treats to have a nice springy feel to them, so I decided to decorate them with floral wreaths. I am using royal icing that I've colored with food coloring to make the florals for this wreath. Okay, so let me be completely honest here. I didn't really have an idea of what kind of flowers I wanted for this floral wreath. So what I did was just chose a couple of piping tips, and then I just squiggled and swirled things on to make them look like flowers. And I think that they just turned out so cute. I just let my creativity take over when creating these. I think sometimes it's good to just sit down and to just go off the top of your head and see what comes out. A lot of times for me, that is when I do some of my best work. Let me know in the comments below if you do something similar to this. To make the pink flowers, I use tip number 19. For the purple, I use tip 102. And for the green leaves, I use tip number 81. Now, your tip numbers may vary depending on the brand that you use, but I will have everything that I've used in this video linked in the description box below. These chocolate covered pretzels are the perfect addition to any treat box. Now go forth and create. Peace.